cryptocurrencies, crypto extinction. What? You wanna know about the last fiascos in the crypto world? Yes? Then smash that like button, because it's time for crypto news, fun on the ride, crypto a tope. We still in fear, we are in the 23 in this fear and greed index, and we feel that we should be around minus 56, because the situation is still so bad that Peter Schiff just told us that this is not crypto winter, that this is crypto extinction, as the thumbnail told you. But this is due to this guy. This is the responsible. At the beginning he was a hero, right now he's a villain, and he is keep on posting tweets, and this is the last one. What happened? That's what he wrote here in vertical way. This is not financial advice, he's telling us. And after that, you can see here that he is trying to clean a little bit his image and tell us that he's trying his best in order to find a solution for the situation. Truth and beauty, the last words. So maybe he finds the solution. He's telling us that he's been so wrong for so long that maybe this time he's right again. We'll see about that, hopefully so. Right now, thousands of petitions for congressional investigation of alleged Gensler SBF links. We knew that they met, but now they're telling us that FTX was trying to have some benefits with this relation with the regulators. We'll see about that. Also, more bad news. Visa, of course, ends crypto debit card partnership with FTX. Also bad news for Huobi, a subsidiary of this exchange, fails to withdraw crypto assets worth over 18 million from FTX. Cristiano Ronaldo, that probably is locked by a contract because he's forced to sell NFTs on Binance this November, and I'm sure that no one is interested in this right now, so we'll see about that. OKX trying also as Binance, allegedly on saving the day with 100 million fund to support distressed projects following FT crash, or maybe what they want as Binance, it's my opinion, is like trying to get people in a bad situation with a liquidity crisis and steal the projects because they need help. So desperate with the crisis they created in the first place. Kraken, Coinbase, and Gate.io publishing proof of reserves with liabilities. But anyway, who trusts anymore that proof of reserves after past week? Bad news for BlockFi is preparing for potential bankruptcy, as Wall Street Journal is telling us. So past week we saw that maybe there were 3 companies interested on buying BlockFi. That would be a good thing. But right now the news are turning bad. They are telling us that it might fail for bankruptcy. So we'll see about that. That wouldn't be good for sure, as it's not good that crypto lender Salt is halting withdrawals, citing FTX impact. Also bad news for crypto exchange Liquid suspending withdrawals. It was acquired from FTX in the past. Michael Saylor warning us that all this fiasco could push regulators to suppress crypto innovations, and that's what I believe they want. They want to stop, to slow down all these improvements. But anyways, Michael Saylor in a very bad situation. Some rumors telling us that the margin call for MicroStrategy is at $3,500, so he must be so scared. Some other people that believe that the margin call would be at 3,500, and some others saying that Michael Saylor might buy some Bitcoin in order to make people see that all this panic is not something that should happen. Anyways, the regulators that he's telling us pushing more in Unit Europe. They are moving to ban privacy coins, as this report is telling us. That would be bad for privacy coins like Monero, Zcash, Secret, and Dash. So we see like this kind of plan here. Also, SEC in United States delaying the decision for the ETF on ARK and 21 shares. So right now, yeah, nobody's gonna blame them for doing that, as we have that such fiasco in the markets. Mastercard, Wells Fargo, Citigroup, BNY Mellon, and other banking giants launching a 12-week experimental digital dollar pilot with New York Fed. So you can see this seems like a script of a movie. So we have the collapse of the crypto, the public space, but the regulators come in and they tell us what's the path. So maybe this all a huge manipulation. And we are so scared with that and with things like this that Altcoin Daily told us. Wrap Bitcoin on Solana is literally going to zero. We hope not for our own good. And also Vandalize saying that Ethereum is next. Doubt it all you want. It's coming. I don't believe that, but hopefully I'm right. You can see that the decentralized world is improving from centralized one, as Uniswap just overtook Coinbase as the second largest ETH exchange. We need trust in the crypto world, as people are withdrawing money from exchanges. We took just in the past 6 days $1.35 billion from Binance. The third largest Bitcoin whale wallet has sent 2,000 Bitcoin to the Coinbase exchange. That usually means that they want to sell that Bitcoin. But anyway, for that trust recovery, remember, as CryptoLark is telling us, that Bitcoin didn't fail us, nor did DeFi or NFTs, or more broadly, crypto space. What failed us was a criminal group of insiders at one corrupt exchange, as happened with empty GOX in the past. Bitcoin has now been declared dead in the mainstream media 465 times and counting, and here we are. Just believe that maybe the bottom is here. The last time people were so bearish towards Bitcoin was the previous bear market bottom. And also, Will Clement is telling us that long-term Bitcoin holders don't care. They still there. We are in all-time highs of holding. So again, we have this chart of the optimism for Bitcoin, and Josh Drager telling us he's buying Bitcoin, and buying Bitcoin at $16,000 is feeling for him so much like buying $3,000 back in 2019. And this is my favorite tweet today. John Erickman: stock declines from the peak of the dot-com bubble to the bottom. Adobe, Microsoft, Amazon, Nvidia, and Apple were down 56% to 78%, but over the next 19 years, they recovered so much that, for example, Apple, it was 58,646%, or Amazon 19,400%. So I keep the faith. Hopefully I'm right. Also, we had this sign, CryptoLark, telling us that we had a lot of volume in the market. That's something we needed. Remember, this has been the fourth biggest withdrawal event in recent years. And in this video, when Bitcoin will touch bottom, we explain how we needed the volume candles on Coinbase on the weekly time frame to be so huge. And you can see here that we have the biggest we can find right now. So if the story is there to repeat itself, we will go up now, as we did here. Remember, also here and also here. And this time, this one is much bigger than the past one. So maybe we are at the beginning at the bull market. I pray for that. Some optimistic people believe that this is a triangle telling us that we will go up, trying to find 19,000 again. But I can see this line withdrew some time ago, like a $1,700, and we're not being able or surpassing it. So I believe we will find this line sometime. Maybe December the 7th. Remember, Matthew Hyland told us that with this cross that is official right now in the MACD 3 days time frame, we might go down 46 to 57% if we do the same as past times we had that situation. We need money in the crypto space. We're far away from the 1 trillion rates, And remember my prediction for 9,607 of December. Remember, this is not financial advice. I have no clue. If I had, I wouldn't be in the same situation you are right now with liquidity crisis and having lost a lot of money. So don't trust me, but some experts believe that this crisis might be over yet, as we are following the path we did in 2018. Some others now believe that the situation may be similar to the crisis with Bitfinex and USDT on 2015. So the recovery could be awesomely so fast. And that might be true, because remember that always happens what people doesn't believe, and everybody believes Bitcoin is going to zero right now. So maybe we recover just in a couple of days. FTT trying to find zero, Sol just around $11. BNB is trying to find support in $270. And Ethereum, it's not being able or surpassing 1,200. So eventually I think we will go to 1,000 and lower than that. But Dogecoin right now found its support in the top range of the channel, and Vitalik Buterin supporting Dogecoin Foundation with another donation one more time. Bad news for crypto space, because dollar is going down and crypto is going down too, which is not usual. You can see here gold going up, and that's what we want for Bitcoin, not going down. But also Asian markets were going down. So we see about American markets today, US markets today. Atani, remember, with this app, which is free, you have the link in the description, you can do this kind of analysis. Also, you can trade there with a lot of exchanges, and you can do your homework for tax report. Right now, they are giving us some calm about the APYs, and also telling us that you might enable the two-factor authentication in the app. So do it, link is in the description. And if you want to be so scared, well, this is the worst for today. Chamath Palihapitiya telling us that the worst is still to come. He's telling us that all this money in venture capital destruction is just top tip of the iceberg. Why is that? Well, he thinks that the Fed is gonna rise rates till first half of 2024. They will push them to 5.50%. So everybody is believing right now that the worst is just past, and that all those rates will cool down, but he believes that is not gonna happen. We'll see about Trump and the fight for the re-election in 2024. Elon Musk told us that Bitcoin will make it, and today Edward Snowden is telling us the same thing. And it's fun to see that last time he wrote something like this, price of Bitcoin went up. So maybe we have the Snowden effect for Bitcoin. I pray for that. Right now, remember, funontheright.com, crypto safety. You have there a lot of free courses to learn how to use the Ledger Nano X and S Plus. We learn the hard way that we can't trust anyone. The market in the red, the bubbles in the red, and the principal in the red too. We are down from $40 billion in the DeFi ecosystem, but good news for development. Nike is launching Swoosh Web3 platform with Polygon NFTs in 2023. So it's destined to be apparel and other NFT-based products. The first drop will be in January. And also good news of development for the metaverse and the augmented reality. Their our partners are the best, and they did the festival with decentralized, and some of our riders are giving us some examples of how was the event. Thank you very much, and congratulations both to Decentralized and Over the Reality for pushing the market, even though the market conditions and the crypto winter. Remember that Black Friday is coming. In Fun on the Right, we're gonna tell you all the offers you can have. If you don't have Amazon Prime, you have the link in the description. Take advantage of that, because from 18th, we're gonna have special offers in Prime. Also, remember Audible. If you're not listening audiobooks, do it as I'm doing that. Right now, I'm audio reading the book called Expert Secrets. I'm not really enjoying that one, but it's okay. If you want to know which ones I really enjoyed, you have funontheright.com recommended books, and you have here my recommendations, and also some videos in some of them where I sum up the book for you if you want to decide whether to use Audible or not. The link is in the description, and it's free for 30 days, so create the habit of listening to books. Also, we have a Black Friday promotion. If you want to give a song as a present, maybe to your significant other, to your mother, maybe your father, or some person that is sad because of the crypto winter, well, you have with Fun on the Right 20 at 20% off. So I leave you the link in the description, and hurry because they need time to create the song. Also, if you want to know how to get some money, well, you have TikTok now. Everybody's talking about this. I'm doing that too because we need liquidity, and we try to find it however we know. So you can earn 7 euros for a week. If you invite more friends, you can earn more. So here you have my code, link in the description, and you can then refer to your own friends and make some money. Thank you, community, for your help, and thank you for everybody that were at BDC 2022. You have 2 videos in the webpage or YouTube channel about it, and some of the personalities we interviewed are answering on Twitter. Thank you very much to Jose Antonio Bravo, also to the people in Simcoin, Miguel Caballero from Tutelus, thank you very much, and also to World Challenge NFT. Thank you for Nacho Dumal and Radix. We will post more small small videos in Twitter, so follow them. And this Friday, the 18th of November, we're gonna go to Crypto Plaza Forum. It's a special event in Palacio Neptuno, so if you wanna join, I leave you there the possibility of buying your own tickets, and this will be the agenda. We start 9, but I will be doing crypto at home, so I will join you as fast as I can, and I'll be there until around 7 p.m. And I believe there's even a cocktail afterwards. Felipe Moreno, thank you very much for your tip with the thank you button you can find at the bottom of this video. And 2 good news for WhatsApp. We were waiting for the possibility of having the same WhatsApp in 2 devices. Now you can do that. And also we wanted to send some text to ourselves as a notepad. Well, you can do that too. Just upgrade your WhatsApp, and allegedly with this article they are telling us that that's a possibility already now. And now let's check how old are you. Do you know what is this? And also, if you do you know why the tape is on the top corner? And some cats and dogs here, the crypto market just attacking us, but we hold there because we know the best is yet to come. Here we are pros. They try to attack us, but with all these fiascos, we learn how to fight back. As this guy is trying to get his objective, but falls. We're falling right now, but eventually we will succeed. We will be out of this trap we are right now, as this poor dog is with all this crypto extinction. We don't have time for more today, but if you want this very exact same content in Spanish, you can go to our primary channel, Fun on the Right, Health, Money, Love, Party in Peace, and the best is yet to come.